All right. Gentrol is used to get rid of bed bugs and as well as other different types of insects within your house. Now, Gentrol is becoming more popular now. Go ahead and give me a like and check the description part of the page for more information about this product. It's becoming more popular now because people are having huge issues and they're trying a multifaceted approach to getting rid of their issues. Okay. Now, Gentrol is not. It's not going to kill a bed bug like when it comes in contact with it. No, this product does not do that. Gentrol actually affects how it breeds and how it molts. So Gentrol, when the bugs crawl across this, they can't molt properly. So if you know anything about bed bugs, they have to go through 7 molts, or I think 5 to 7 molts before they become adults and breed, okay? This right here stops them from molting. They come out deformed and all sorts of other things. And say, for instance, a pregnant bed bug comes across this, their eggs will come out deformed if they even come out at all. So Gentrol is a part of an approach to actually get rid of the bug and the problem. This particular can, it treats up to 12,000 square feet or 1,200 square feet. It comes out as a foam, and it's talking about long-term control. So you use this in conjunction with other products that you may use. If you get this thing, read the instructions and follow them to the T. And if you don't know what you're doing, if you can't do this, try to get an exterminator to help you with your problem. Let me know if you have any problems, any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.